Okay children, now we will see the exercise number 6.3. The following table shows the weight of a paddy cultivated in a particular village during the years 2010 to 2015. So they are given 2015, 2010. Here they are given, and then the paddy cultivation 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. So இங்கே வந்து paddy production, how many paddy production, எவ்வளோ cultivate பண்ணாங்க, paddy production, how much their production continued. ஒன்று paddy வந்து, see, one paddy they gives. So they are given the picture like this, paddy. Okay, so this represents 100 kg. So this represents 100 kg. So one paddy represents 100 kg. Paddy production வந்து they are given as a picture. So one picture is like the 100 kg means how many pictures here? In 2010, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they are given. So 500 kg. 2010 they have drawn the picture here, but I have counted and writing here. Okay, they are given the picture like this, 5. And then 2011, 4. So 400. One paddy on the 100. Now they have drawn the 400 kg. And 2012 is 300 kg. And 2013, 200. 14 is again 300 kg. And 15 is 200 kg. Okay, now they are asking the questions. In which year the paddy production was maximum? So, when the year la kammiya irukku. Maximum, which is adhigama irukku. In which year maximum? In which year paddy maximum? Paddy production maximum கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Maximum அதிகமாக இருக்குது. Which year? So 500 kg, 2010. Answer is 2010. Next question, in which year is equal? Equal இருக்குது. Which year? In which year it is equal? 200 kg and 200 kg both in 2013 and 2015. 2013 and 2015. And see some. Find the quantity of paddy production in 2015. How much paddy production in 2015? 2015 la paddy production is 200 kg. I am writing only the answer, children. And D. Find the total quantity of the paddy production in 2013, 14 and 15. 2013 total production of 2013, 2014 and 2015. So how much is there? 2013 how much? 200 kg. And 2014 is 300 kg. And 2015 is 200 kg. So total production means you have to add. So add this. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 700 kg. Okay, children. So 700 kg is the total production. So this is the sum. Can you understand? Now the next sum. Second sum. Here, the total number of people studying in class 5 in a particular day are GHS 1000, PUBS 200, BHS 400, PUMS 400, private nursery school 800. They are given the name of the school and the total number of students. You have to draw this circle. Okay. for each and every school. So prepare a pictograph. You have to prepare a pictograph. The total number of people. I am giving this sum. Will you do it by yourself, children? Total number of people studying in 5 school. 5 schools. GHSS, how many? 1000 people. And then PUPS ups 200. And then these are the names of the school. 400. Given. Then PUMS is the again 400. Then private nursery school is 800. Okay. So what you have to do is prepare a pictograph. Prepare a pictograph. So you have to do this by yourself, children, using the circle. I don't know, this face represent. 1 represent is 100. So ஒரு இது ட்ரா பண்ணிங்கன்னா திஸ் இஸ் 100. ஓகே. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி GHS 1000னா you have to put 10. So how to draw this na? You have to draw the pictograph. Just write the name of the school's name like this. One by one you can write the name of the school, and the numbers you can write here also. And then 1000 means 10. 10, 3, 4. So this is the question, but for answer you have to draw in a separate answer. You can write, you can take out and write the name of the school like this, and then write the numbers, and then you can draw in a separate place, not in the question. This is the question. This is the homework for you. Just try it and see. Okay, children. Now next one is representation of data by the tally marks. We have already seen about the representation of data by the pictures or anything like that. Now we are going to see the tally marks. Page number 90. Representation of data by tally marks. How to use the data by using the tally marks? For the past we have seen about the pictures, about the symbols, everything is seen. Now we are going to see about the tally marks. So in olden days the primitive man used to count, to put the lines. நீங்க வந்து 1 2 3 4 5 வந்து இப்படி crossல போடுவாங்க. 5 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 1 அப்படி போட்டாங்கன்னா, so how many count? 1 2 3 4 5 வரும்போது இங்கே cross போட்டுட்டோம். 5 6 7 8 straight line you should not put, and 6 7 8 9 10 this is the cross, and this one is the 11. So total is 11. Like this only we have to put the tally marks. Suppose if they put 3, this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. Can you understand? So okay, this is known as the tally marks. In this way only we have to put the tally marks. So here, so up to 10 11 we can put the tally marks like this. So here they are given one example for this: car, van, lorry, two-wheeler and bus. Two-wheeler and bus. So here they are given the tally marks. We have to count and write. This is the tally mark, and this is the number of vehicles. So we no need to draw anything, just we have to put the tally mark. So what are the vehicles? Car they are given 11, 1 2 3 4 5 10 11 car, and van is 7. lorry 13, 12. So for 10 only you are giving, okay, for 10 only they are giving the line. So in this, for 10 only they are giving the cross line. 5 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay, okay. So this is 11, correct only 11, 11, and then 7. Then lorry is 13. This is 13 lorry, and then two-wheeler is 12. I said, no, if you put the cross line, that seems to be the 5, and this is the 12. And then for bus, that is 4. Okay. So this is the tally mark. Car, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the cross line, you can count it as a 5. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This cross line is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and this one is 11. And van is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2 is 7. And here is 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 13. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. And if there is no crossing number, a main over line cross, you just count and put how many lines are there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now they are asking some of the questions. Which vehicle crossed the school maximum in numbers? So which vehicle is maximum? Adhigama edu romba avanga school cross panni poirukku. Maximum means adhigam. So only the lorry, that is 13. 13 is lorry. Which vehicle crossed the school maximum numbers? Find the total number of vehicles. We have to add all the numbers. I already told you in everything for tally marks or pictograph or bar graph. You have to put the total number of vehicles. So you can count. 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 plus 11 is 31. And 31, 43, 47. So total number of vehicle is 47. Now here they are given some example to information of the collected by Bala from 20 students. Some of the children are like chocolate, cake, biscuit, banana, everything. Some of the children they are like. So how many students are like chocolates? 11 students. And how many children like cake? 12. Biscuit is 13. And chocolate is 14. And banana is 16. And biscuit is 17. And chocolate is 20. So totally they are given chocolate, cake, biscuit, apple, and banana. So everything they are given. So chocolate, how many children like chocolates? 11 children like chocolates. So chocolate, and then cake. Chocolate is 11, and cake, that is 3. Cake is only 3 students that like cakes. Okay, so their chocolate on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can say that. So chocolates on the how many children? Totally 20 students enna like pannirukanga. So name of the snack. Name of the snack. Then tally marks. Like this only you have to put tally marks and total. Here in this chocolate. So they are having the chocolate, cake, biscuit, apple, and banana. Okay. So chocolate, how many children? 9 children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I said no. 5 on the cross line. 7, 8, 9. And then cake. Cake on the 3. So 1, 2, 3. You put 3. Then biscuit, 4. Put 4. Then apple is 2. Then banana, that is 2. Okay. So this is the way of doing the tally marks. Now, the number of two-wheelers sold in a week in a showroom. Represent the data using the tally marks. So you can put the tally marks like this. Now I'll give the sum. One sum is homework. You put the tally marks. Homework. The number of two-wheelers. Or given. Represent a tally marks. Represent the data by using tally marks. Okay, so Sunday, how many vehicles sold? 6. This is the question. On Monday, 11. Tuesday is 3. This is the homework for you. So you can put the tally marks. Wednesday, 5. Thursday is 16. Friday 16 and Saturday 4. Okay, so you have to prepare the tally marks for these children. Now, the next one is the same sum they are given. In mathematics says the following marks are obtained by 30 students. Arrange these marks in table using the tally marks. So they given mathematics is sum of the marks, therefore 10 out of how many numbers they are given. So you have to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many numbers? This is the mark they are given. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, like that. Okay, now they are given the numbers. We have to count and write and put the tally marks for this. This is page number 92. Page number 92. So here they are given mark and then tally marks and then number of students. So I'll write the how many students have got how many marks. Okay. So here how many marks are given. You can put the tally marks and the number of the students. So 1, 2. So these are the marks for 10 out of. So 1 student தான் வாங்குறாங்க. And 2, how many children are there? Okay, I'll give the question. Arrange these marks. Arrange these marks using data. Using the tally marks. So they are given 8, 2 and 3. This is the marks. So you have to count how many 8 is there, how many 2, like this. 2, 7 and 5. 6, 6 and 5. 8, 10, 3. 9, 4 and 6. Okay. So this is the tally marks for this. 8, 2 and 3, 1, 9 and 4, 3, 5 and 7, 2, 7 and 5. This is the tally marks. So you have to write 1 mark marks. Tally marks. And now you have to fill this you have to fill this column, children. Number of students.